Unveiling Hyundai's cutting-edge engine production facility in Talegaon. 1. Hyundai's Talegaon facility boasts advanced robotics, enhancing precision and efficiency in engine production. 2. The facility significantly boosts local employment, contributing to economic growth in the region. 3. State-of-the-art technology ensures high-quality engines while reducing waste and energy consumption. 4. Sustainability initiatives include eco-friendly materials and processes, aligning with global green standards. 5. This facility strengthens Hyundai's global supply chain, ensuring timely and efficient engine availability. Join us for more insights on innovative manufacturing.